People are selling simple AI prompts for more money than most side hustles, and almost no one is talking about this. Let me explain what's happening. Right now, millions of people use AI every day. ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALI, Runway, Kling. They generate ads, posters, viral videos, marketing content. But here's the thing most people miss. The output is only as good as the prompt. A bad prompt gives you generic garbage. A great prompt gives you content that looks like a studio made it. And that gap between a bad prompt and a great prompt is worth money. Real money. Because someone who figures out the perfect prompt to generate high converting ads, they have something valuable. Someone who creates a prompt that produces cinematic AI videos in one shot, that's an asset. And instead of keeping it to themselves or giving it away for free, smart creators are now selling those prompts. Here's how it works. A creator uses AI to generate something valuable. An ad creative, a product poster, a viral video. They post it. People see it. Comments flood in. What prompt did you use? How did you make this? Can you share it? Old way. Creator pastes prompt in the description. Gets nothing. New way. Creator says, get this prompt on onpromptads.com. Now the audience clicks. Pays for the prompt. Creator earns. One prompt. Uploaded once. Sold hundreds of times. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service. Just pure digital leverage. And the best part? You don't need a massive following. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to show your face. You just need prompts that work. Think about what you already have. If you have ever spent hours perfecting a prompt, testing it, tweaking it, getting the output just right, you have something sellable. That prompt for generating product ads that actually convert? Sellable. That prompt for creating viral short form video scripts? Sellable. That prompt for making professional posters without a designer? Sellable. You're sitting on assets and calling them notes. Here's the reality of 2026. The creator economy is shifting. Content alone doesn't pay like it used to, but digital products do. And the simplest digital product you can create is a prompt you already use. So how do you actually do this? Step 1. Go to onpromptads.com. Step 2. Register as a creator. Step 3. Upload your prompts. The ones you use for ads, visuals, videos, copy, anything that generates real output. Step 4. Set your price. Step 5. Next time you post content made with that prompt, don't give it away. Say, get this prompt on OnPrompt Ads. Your content becomes the marketing. Your prompt becomes the product. Your audience becomes your customers. That's the model. And the creators who understand this in 2026 are building income streams that don't depend on views, sponsors, or algorithms. They're building ownership. Most people will watch this and do nothing. But some of you will go to OnPrompt Ads right now, upload your first prompt, and start building. Those are the ones who win. Which one are you?